as part of a group or team, especially for a special purpose. Let us bring Rob on board for the Sudi deal. He's the expert on board on a boat, train, or aircraft. As soon as I was on board, I began to have second thoughts about leaving. Roughly 50 crew members were on board the ship at the time. The train is about to go. Are we all on board? Of the 200 passengers on board, two were pronounced dead at the scene and 20 were taken to a nearby hospital. It has been reported that more than 300 people on board the ship have the virus. It is thought that no one else was on board the same. On board adjective used to refer to things that are carried by a vehicle and form part of it. The car comes with an on-board satellite navigation device. On board, on or in an aircraft, train, or ship. All passengers should be on board at this time. On-board adjective existing among the parts that make up or come with a vehicle. An on-board computer. Examples of on-board. Some of them are initially out of view from the robot on board as sensors and are discovered during the robot movement. The majority of autonomous walking robots moves with on-board motion generation but without remote operator guidance, and they may not follow their friends' paths. Other design requirements were that the operation had to be performed in real time and on board the aircraft during flight. Information is communicated through wireless modems between a host computer and the onboard computer of the mobile. To that end, powered wheelchairs are designed by integrated an onboard computer that partially deals with the steering task. The robot uses both sparse and dense rewards during its learning, and these rewards come both from onboard sensors and the monitor system. Results obtained from diagnosing onboard faults from aircraft engines are shown, which demonstrate the fusion tools operation. Some data processing could be done on board individual robots, but this would make them unnecessary, complicated, and expensive. For robot soccer games, there are two teams of wheeled mobile robots embedded with local onboard intelligence. Its main contribution is a rapid and efficient computational method that allows path planning to be implemented with the limited resource on board the vehicle. The computation of appropriate feedback is critical and often a limitation for making motions faster, hence demanding for high computational capacities on board. They can be provided from both a global monitor system and robots' onboard sensors. A first step is the integration of an onboard power supply. Throughout the whole operation, the robot is monitoring the ocean environment and storing the information in its onboard computer. This sets the context for our overall goal to apply ontologies to improve the capabilities and performance of onboard route planning for autonomous vehicles. Thank you.